Jealousy is a cover-up emotion. It presents as anger or judgment, when in reality, it is sadness and self-dissatisfaction. Kaya naman pala galit sa'yo. Kaya naman pala ginajudge ka. Kasi ang totoo, malungkot sila. Hindi sila masaya sa buhay nila. They are self-dissatisfied. Come to think of it. Kasi nga naman, di ba? Kapag katunay kang masaya sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo, why would you be jealous of others? Don't forget. God bless.